Hi viewers, welcome to this video, and today I will be teaching you how to enable and disable the Google Chrome PDF viewer. So just let's start. So first of all, open up your Chrome browser, and after opening it up, click on these three dots and then search here for setting option and just click on it. And after clicking up on setting option, just search here PDF, just search it, and after that click on site settings, click on it and just scroll down a bit and search for additional content setting, click on it, and after clicking on it, click on PDF documents, and after that you guys have to click on open PDFs in Chrome, and after doing your option onto PDFs Chrome, your Google Chrome PDF viewer will be enabled, and that's how you guys can enable and disable the Google Chrome PDF viewer. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel, and thanks for watching.